If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. Welcome back everyone, back with another quant update for you guys. This is on a path to $130. In today's update, I'm going to show you the levels that we must hold in order to continue to those targets, how we deviate from that target, and the bearish targets that would come if we do actually invalidate this $130 target over here. So please stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. We're on the road to 7k. I think it's achievable to hit that by the end of this month. Let's dive into this video. One last thing, I have a discount now for the remainder of this month on my ebook, course and mentorship plan. However, they're not applied on the website yet, so private message me for the discount code and we'll get you sorted through the links in the description below. So with Quant, we can see that we've had another attempt at breaking the high, where during the days we actually see the breakouts, but before the daily candle close we keep actually falling back underneath this level and failing the breakout. So we're having two separate occasions where we've had a fake out to the upside. So this just means that we need to reset the market again, come back to those key levels, that being the 20, the 200 or the 55. Essentially, now that we're above the moving averages, they must hold in order to keep this uptrend with our target of $130. A bullish signal that has now just flashed today is the 20 and the 200 EMA crossing over. Can you see this is an extremely bullish signal? However, it doesn't determine that it's 100% in the clear. The final signal to say we're in the clear and we are going up now is where the 55 crosses over the 200. So this is like a precursor, but it's not necessarily 100% confirmation that the 55 will cross over. There is a risk right now that if we come down to the 55 and fail to reclaim the 20 and the 200, this is where this becomes a double top, and then we're looking for continuation lower, where the golden pocket has to kick in. Although that's below the moving averages, and the moving averages are where we want to hold, on a technicality, the golden pocket down here is fine to dump into, but again, must reclaim all those key levels. I will be here every single day to update you guys on what happens, but for now, that is of course a warning sign that the chart is showing us if we do not hold these key levels over here as support. If we go ahead and even lose the golden pocket, this is where the reversal wave is starting to get created, where if a bullish signal does not flash above the 1 fib level, we're looking to eventually fall through and come down to $70 to $80. This does not have to be the case. In fact, none of this is valid right now, as we are simply above the golden pocket and the moving averages continue to do so, and we will see continuation to the $130 target, where I would anticipate the 55 and the 200 EMA crossing over, basically giving no argument to the bears that we are going down. It was just a confirmation that we are continuing higher. The best examples of this is on H-bar and V-Chain's chart, and we've just been speaking about that in today's updates. I'm going to briefly show you them. I know this is a quant update, but it's important to show you these moving averages. Can you see how the 55 and the 200 is about to cross over? We need them to cross over. Why? And I'm going to show you why, specifically why we need this to happen on quant, because in the past we see the breaks of the 200 like we're having with quant, like we've just now had with H-bar and V-Chain. However, in the past we've failed to get the 55 and the 200 crossing over. This is what's called an EMA repel, where they fail to cross, and you can see what happens next. The move to the upside is a fake out. That's why we need this to cross, so we know that it's just going to be confirmed as support and we continue higher, because if they don't cross over, we'll get thrown back into a downtrend. Another perfect example of this is V-Chain, so let's quickly go over there. And can you see right now we're about to get the crossover? So this is a very good statement. In the past we've had moments where it's almost happened, where they've nearly crossed over but failed to, and this is what sends us lower eventually. Here the 55 almost crossed the 200, but it didn't, and eventually failed. You can even zoom into this area and it's happening exactly like quant right now, where price of course has broken all the moving averages, and you've actually got the 20 and 200 crossover. So it's a precursor signal that it could actually happen. It's an early sign that it could happen, but we can see the 55 failed to cross over. It resulted in a dump. So it's very important right now to see the same things on the quant chart. Going back to quant, yes, we've got this signal right now with the 20s crossover, the 200, but if we're failing to get the 55 crossover, we're going to get that EMA repel, where we have this double top being validated, losing the neckline, and then actually heading to the technical targets to the downside between $70 and $80. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you please like, subscribe, comment, and share on the road to 7K, and use the links in the description down below if you want to take action on the course mentorship ebook or join in my Discord community for the weekly group mentorship live calls. If you want the discount, message me over on my Twitter, links down below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers. If any of you are interested in learning how to trade just like me, there's multiple options. Click this ebook. It covers all the strategies that I use in these YouTube updates, so you will have all the same skills. Covers the Japanese candlestick, chart patterns, support and resistance, why I use EMAs over trend lines, Fibonacci's, divergences, and again, using these all together to profit using them. I've also got a discount on my course at the moment, which ends at the end of this month. So that's down to £100. You also gain free access to my Discord community for the next 3 months, where you can expect to be a part of 12 to 24 group mentorship calls. If you want something that's a bit more personalized to your needs, then join my one-to-one mentorship plan. You can choose 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help, and included will be the 3 months free in the community, as well as my 6-hour long video course.